The next step in our nighttime scene is to add a blinking star. I'm going to set my stage to black so you can see that a little bit better. And I'm going to come over here to the Poly Star tool, and when I click on that, under Tool Settings, you'll see Options. There's a choice between polygon or star. I want star, and you can change the number of sides and how big of a point you want. I'm going to leave that here and click and drag to draw my star. Fill that with a color over here that you like, probably a light yellow or white. And then with that selected, we're going to go up to Modify and choose Convert to Symbol. I'm going to call this Twinkle. And it's going to be a movie clip that will have a twinkling star. Click on OK, and you're going to see the blue outline showing me that it's now a symbol. Double click, and you're going to notice that you have now entered into a different timeline. It doesn't look any different except over here at the top. You see scene 1 and then the movie clip. Because I want my star to be blinking, I want it to fade out, I need to go ahead and turn this into another symbol. I'm going to call it star, and it is going to be a graphic. Now it has a blue box. That will enable me to animate its alpha channel over here. So going out to maybe 20 and inserting a keyframe, I will then select my star graphic and turn the alpha channel to 0. Now it goes from 100% to 0, and I will classic tween that. And now my star is twinkling. So back on the scene, even though you won't see this because I don't have any timeline here, if I press Control Enter to run my movie, no, it's not playing there either. Let's see here. It's fading out there. That'll be fine. All right. So what's nice about this is I'm going to change this layer to be stars. And I can come into my library, which looks like a stack of books over here. And I will see Twinkle. And I can bring out multiple Twinkle. Now if I do that, they should twinkle at the same rate. If I want to have them go at different rates, I can place some in, let me delete one, at different keyframes. And then we'll twinkle at different rates. Let's go ahead and add a frame here. And there they go. I can duplicate that in different sizes. I can even make this, I can transform this star and have them be smaller. And there you have it. Twinkling stars, and I can replicate that across the sky.